Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. Before we get on with today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more English videos like this. Let's start. In today's video, we are going to be learning 20 animals, their pronunciations, and their names. So let's get on with our video. Cat. Repeat after me, please. Cat. Dog. Dog. Chicken. Chicken. Cow. Cow. Horse. Horse. Kangaroo. Kangaroo. Sheep. Sheep. Duck. Duck. Monkey. Monkey. Bird. Bird. Lion. Lion. Elephant. Elephant. Zebra. Zebra. Donkey. Donkey. Panda. Panda. Tiger. Tiger. Squirrel. Squirrel. Bear. Bear. Rabbit. Rabbit. Bee. Bee. So guys, I hope now you have learned the 20 names of the animals and their pronunciations perfectly. Now I have a question for you. Which of these animals is your favorite? Comment down below your answers, and also don't forget to comment down below I subscribed if you have subscribed to my channel. Okay? So guys, thank you for listening to me and attending to my class. I hope to see you in another video of mine. If you like this video, don't forget to give big thumbs up and I will see you guys later. Bye bye.